Everybody help me confirm this news, okay? The news is somehow confusing. I don't understand what is going on, but I want to ask everybody. You know, this president from Uganda and this doctor, people say they arrest him. Some people say they release him. Some people say they don't give. I really don't understand, because recently I want to make video about him, but they said they release him. Please, Ugandans, is this man still in detention and they refuse to give him food? They said he want to do coup d'etat in Uganda. Hey, Mr. President of Uganda, you have mind. You have mind. You can do some things you will not think 2 times. Does it mean you are going to live forever in this post of president? Guys, please, can you help me understand? Because I see they said they do something to Bobby Wine the last time, and this man is coming from Uganda too. The news is not clear because sometimes they speak Swahili, they speak some we don't understand. Somebody please explain to us. Is this man still in detention? And please, anybody who have the full details of this, I beg, contact me. Let's start to dish jollof rice for Mr. Museveni every day on this case. If you see the before and after of this man, very horrible. Very, very horrible. Museveni get mind. The president of Uganda is one of the oracle Africa serve. One of ancient of days, wicked elders, wicked fathers-in-law or stepfathers, who don't care about anybody, only his son. He make his wife Minister of Education in Uganda. His son, military general. The wife, Minister of the Bank of Uganda. They are the family. We complain about Gabon president, what Gabon president and his son do that. Museveni is the worst president ever you can ever see. He sit in the throne for years. He started changing law, putting his people in power, his family, wife and children. He's not even afraid. As if the country belongs to you alone. And Uganda cannot remove him in power because he tell them, you did not vote for me. I come with gun and let you people come and remove me with gun. Because you cannot vote against me and I will go out. Who can battle with Museveni? Museveni sit down in Uganda, controlling many territory in East Africa. Ugandans, what is going on? Please explain to us what is going on in Uganda. Because we may not see that there is blood in Uganda like the way it is in Congo. Ugandans may be going through a lot. Ugandans may be missing. We will not know. The way they are missing in Kenya. Kenyans are missing. People vanish in Kenya. And I think people are missing in Uganda too.